time since we last interacted, but I just want to greet you a happy birthday and thank you for being a good friend when we were in elementary. I hope you enjoy your day, and I hope this new chapter of your life be full of happiness, prosperity, and blessings. Happy birthday ulit!
Happy birthday, Chelsea! We wish you all the best in life. Maybe this chapter of your life unfold with joy, love, and endless opportunities. Once again, happy birthday, Chelsea!
Happy birthday, Ate Chelsea! We wish you all the best and God bless. Hopefully, magkita-kita tayo soon. Happy birthday!
Hi Chelsea, I want to greet you a happiest birthday and also to take this time to thank you for everything that you have done for me as a happiest birthday. And I hope to see you soonest, catch up with you soon.
Happy birthday, Chelsea! May your birthday be bright and as beautiful as you are. We miss you. Hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday, Ate Chelsea! We miss you! More birthdays to come!
See you soon. Bye-bye. Love you.
Happy 80th birthday, Chelsea. Wish you more birthday to come and take care always. Miss you.
Hi, Chels! Happy 18th birthday! Adult ka na, grabe! Miss ko na kayo. Sana magkita ulit tayo soon. Either dyan or here. Ayun, mag-enjoy ka sa life mo. Pero syempre, alam mo yung mga limitations mo. Happy 18th birthday! I love you guys! I miss you! Bye-bye!
Hi, Chelsea! Happy birthday! Magpakabait ka palagi para magkita tayo ulit. Miss you, I love you. Bye-bye!
Chelsea, happy birthday! Happy 18th birthday, Chelsea!
Have more wonderful birthdays.
We miss you!
Hola, Chelsea! Greetings from Portugal. Happy 18th birthday. Sana naalala mo pa ako. Grabe, 18. Where has the time gone? Wishing you all the best, and this is the new chapter of your life. Welcome to adulthood. This is the new beginnings. See you soon. Sana pag pumunta ako ng Canada, magkita tayo. Wishing you all the best and a good health. Maging mabait ka lang sana sa mga magulang mo. Sana. Grabe ang bilis. Nandyan ka na. Nandito na ako. So, that's it. See you soon. I hope so. Ciao!
Happy birthday, Ate Chelsea! Ingat po parate. We love you and miss you.
I love you and miss you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hello, Ate! Happy birthday, Ate Chelsea! Uwi na kayo. Big girl na si Ali. Kiss mo siya.
Happy birthday, Chelsea! Parang kailan lang nabuhat-buhat ka namin. Ngayon, dalaga ka na. May all your wish come true.
Happy birthday, Chelsea! Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Chelsea!
Enjoy your day.
Make more memories and chase your dreams, okay? God bless you. Say hi. Bye-bye.
Hi!
Hi, Ate Chelsea!
Hi, Ate Chelsea!
Happy 18th birthday!
Happy birthday!
Hi, Kuya Turdy!
Hi, Kuya Turdy!
Happy 16th birthday!
Happy birthday!
I miss you all!
I miss you!
Take care always!
Always!
I love you!
I love you!